Good day everybody, it's Clinton Madopa again here. So today guys, we want to do analysis on NASDAQ. We want to teach you how to analyze NASDAQ properly. We want to do it the proper way now. The thing is, when you are analyzing NASDAQ, you want to be sure that you got it correct. So today I'm just going to teach you how to get it correct. So before we can even get into that, you guys, let's make sure that we click that subscribe button. Just go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the bell notification next to the subscribe button, so that you always, when I pop a new video, you always get a message on your phone, like a notification that I'm dropping a new video, so you don't have to miss any video that is very productive. So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to analyze NASDAQ, right? I'm going to be teaching you how to analyze NASDAQ. So the first thing that you need to do when you are opening the chart of NASDAQ, you need to open a 4-hour time frame, which is a bigger time frame that gives clear directions to what NASDAQ has been doing previously. So you just open 4-hour time frame like that. As you can see, you open 4-hour time frame, and then you can zoom in for you to see properly. As you can see, I have zoomed in. So there are 3 things that are most important in opening or rather 2 things in opening 4-hour time frame. You want to see the previous trend, and you want to see the future trends. The previous trend is a trend that has been formed previously. So we can see here, so in this case, we can see here that, okay, the market is consolidation. It's consolidating here. You can see that here, there's been a consolidation phase. But previously, there was this drop huge. You see, this huge drop there, and then this consolidation. Now let's remove this and put markers. Put markers here. I want to put markers. Let's put markers. We'll put our markers there to show that it was a consolidation. A consolidation is when the market has no clear direction. It's moving sideways. As you can see, there was a lot of consolidation there. A lot of consolidation. Previously, there was this huge drop. To show that it was a downtrend, right? Then this consolidation formed, and there was a break here, and then this break formed what we call a W formation. It formed what we call a double dot bottom, or rather a W formation. As you can see, there was a W there. As you can see, so it was a clear signal here that it was going to go up. Then it went up, and then it came to this consolidation. But we knew that here it was a clear change of direction, meaning after this downtrend, they were going to create an uptrend. But then before they create this uptrend, they need to collect the money before they can even go. As you can see, there was a consolidation. Now, look at this. Look at this. They broke up above the consolidation point, which was this resistance. This resistance, they broke above it. Now, what they need to do now, because we know that they dropped for quite some time here. They dropped for quite some time, so they need to go up for quite some time. So they went up, but then they consolidated a little bit, and then now we know that they need to come back and retest this trend line. Not trend line, this previous resistance, which is now a support, to support it to go way even up on the upper side. So if they come and retest here, you need to take a buy here. Yeah, so that's how you do it, guys. That's how you analyze NASDAQ. I just wanted to analyze NASDAQ for you guys for less than 5 minutes, so that you guys can get to understand. As you can see here, when they were dropping here, you could have capitalized. Every time they approach the trend line, you take a sell. When they approach a trend line, you take a sell. Look at this. This is where they touch the trend line. You take a sell, you drop with them, right? And then you come. They approach the trend line again here. You can take a sell here. And then again, they approach the trend line, you take a sell. And then you drop with them, You make some money. When they create this double bottom here, you take a buy. How do you know now it's time for a buy? How do you know? You count your levels. You are like level 1, first drop. They come back. Level 2, second drop. Come back. Level 3. So after level 3, we're expecting them to change direction. So this is level 1, 2, and then 3. And then they change direction. They are going on the upper side. That is the market maker strategy, guys, telling you what to do. So anyways, After they break this trend line, they are confirming what? They are confirming an uptrend. So this is where they broke the trend line here. This is where they broke the trend line. They come and retest the trend line, you take a buy. But then since this is a consolidation, how do you capitalize on a consolidation? How do you capitalize on a consolidation? This is how you capitalize. You know it's a consolidation. So every time they reach this place, they are going to sell. Every time they reach this place, they are going to buy. Now you need to come and do what? And do this. I'm going to sell here. Maybe let me change. Maybe let me change the color of this mark to, let's see. Let's change it to orange. We're going to sell here, so we're selling. When we sell here, they drop because it's at the point of resistance. Here we buy because it's at a point of support. And then they go up. They come here, we sell. Why? Because it's at the what? At the resistance. Here we buy because this is support. So this is how you capitalize on a consolidation. So here, after you bought, they go up, right? Here. How do you know that you shouldn't buy? I mean, you shouldn't sell. How do you know? Look at this. They tested double. So there is a double test for you to take what? To take a sell. There is a double test for you to take a sell. As you can see here, there is a head and shoulder inside here for you to take a buy. So here there is a double test. So here there is no double test. You should have waited for them to come and double. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. Let me just show you. So you should have waited for them to come and say double. Double like that. And then they drop. They didn't do it. In fact, they broke on the upper side. So that's how you know that you shouldn't sell, because they broke. And then when they broke, when you are waiting for a retest, when they come and retest, this is where you take a buy. It's a what? It's a change of scenario. This trend, which is consolidation trend, is changing into a proper upper trend. That's how you know you should be buying. You should be buying on that instance. So guys, this is how you capitalize on NASDAQ. But then you need to make sure that when you take trades here, let's say you wanted to take a buy here, you take one trade and wait for that trade to come into profit, then you can add multiple trades so that you know that you are right. When you want to sell here, what do? You sell one trade. When it goes into profit, you can add multiple trades. Don't add multiple trades. Meanwhile, you're not even sure that it will go. They will all go into profit. They might go a little bit down or draw down before they even go into profit. Then you are out. But then when you take one trade, you are giving it the benefit of the doubt. Then they stay there. They consolidate until they go into profit. Then you add your trades, just like that. That's how you do it. I hope this information was useful to you guys. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can get notifications on my new videos when I drop them, because more of them will be coming. I'm going to be teaching you how to analyze gold, US30, NAS 100, those currency pairs and everything. So I'm going to be teaching you all those things. Don't forget, click that subscribe button and click on the bell notification next to the subscribe button so that you get alerted. Cheers for now, guys, and take care.